Good day to everyone. Today I would like to show you how to change your Google account Gmail password. How many of you know Google account using just by sending and receiving email in online? Google account used check maps, take notes, use YouTube, access Drive, use calendar and more. Cyber experts suggest to change your password every 30, 60 or 90 days. Let's see how to change your Google account password using mobile phone as well as computer. Now I am going to show you how to change your Google account password. Log in your Gmail account, click setting in your right hand side corner and select see all setting. Go to accounts and import tab. Just click change password. Just type your recent password, click next and the password option is open. Give your new password. Just give the new password and confirm your new password. Select change password. Automatically it will show you your password is changed successfully. So this is an easy way to change your password in your computer. Now I am going to show you how to change your password in your Android mobile phone. Go to settings and select accounts and go to Google account. This is a home button. Just select personal information and select password. Give your current password, click next. It will show you the password changing option. Give your new password. So give your new password and confirm the password, click change password. Automatically your password is changed. Password is changed successfully. Keep your account protected. Click get started. This is an easy way to change your password using your mobile phone and laptop to secure your account. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.